Magandang hapon. We are starting in 5 minutes as some of our alumni will still be coming over and some officials also. So stay put lang po tayo sa ating mga upuan. Okay pa po tayo? Okay, thank you.
Test.
Hello.
Okay. Alright. Okay, we're starting. Hello everyone. Hi. Every year, the university organizes a show or program in honor of the graduating students. In the past, the program has traditionally aimed to introduce the distance education students of UPOU to the cultural and artistic expressions that their counterparts in the other UP campuses are normally exposed to while they are on campus. Over the years, the format of the show has evolved and included a wider range of musical and dance genres.
Today's presentation highlights one of the fixtures of Philippine pop culture, the original Filipino music or OPM. We have invited several performers who will either interpret OPM in songs, dances, and instrumental performance. Just like the Filipino, OPM has experienced evolution over the years. From pop songs to indigenous-inspired music, from rock to hip-hop, which I'm part of. Today's presentation will show the diversity and uniqueness of OPM.
Good afternoon, I'm Bobby Figueroa.
I'm Pina Flor Thailand.
And we welcome you to the UPOU Cultural Show!
Applause! Sinuportahan kita doon, partner.
Salamat. Salamat din sa mga sumuporta sa audience.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, Bobby.
Good afternoon, Rina.
I'm so excited for today's program because it's my first time ko attend ng cultural show ng UPOU. Bago pa naman ako. Thank you, Sir Prime, for the excuse. Ikaw, Bobby, first time?
First time ko rin.
Okay, so siguro let's start the program now by introducing our first performer.
Yeah.
Aren't you so excited?
Ayan yung mga supporters. Salamat. So magpa-practice tayo mamaya. Titignan natin kung sino yung mga attentive. Pag tinataas ko to, kahit hindi nyo nababasa, alam nyo ibig sabihin ng applause. Okay ba yun? Sige, practice tayo. Ayan, very good. Nagagaling ko. Pinamang scholar ng bayan.
Of course. Within the framework of openness yan.
Yes.
Okay. So sige, our first performer is a band, obviously.
Ayan na sila, oh.
Yeah. The band is composed of UPOU faculty members. Wow! They are current or former staff members and their friends. Sino mas malapit din yung and their friends?
Yes.
Doubling in rock music, the group has performed for university events, including UPOU's Grand Sunduan and General Assemblies. So, audience, alumni, officials, faculty, and staff, the UPOU Band.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are the UPOU Band, as the MC said. Ako nga pala po si Levi, dahil ang theme for this afternoon daw is OPM, so expect OPM. Yung kanina ginawa pa namin subject, hindi po yun natutugtugin namin, kaya huwag po kayong matakot. By the way, ako po si Levi, I'm the one who plays bass, and this is Rob Cesar Luna. Please palakpakan naman po natin si Rob Cesar. And over there is Mr. Sherwin, the guitar dude. Okay. And this afternoon, natutugtugin po namin ay puro OPM songs. So, ang first song po namin ay kinanta ng The Thief, na nirevive din ng several OPM bands. So, take it away, Mr. Sherwin. course, it's open goal eh. Medyo gawin nating mabagal-bagal ng konti. It's a song by the Neo Colors. Ang title po niya ay